Hello everyone, I am R.P. Rajwade, Associate Professor Chemistry, Faculty of Science, Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. This video lecture is on environmental education. According to UNESCO, the environment education is a way of implementing the goal of environmental protection. It is not a separate branch of science, but the lifelong interdisciplinary field of studies. Environmental education is a process by which a people develop awareness, concern, knowledge of the environment and learn to use this understanding to preserve, conserve and utilize the environment in a sustainable manner for the benefit of present and future generation. Next, the goal of environmental education are: first one, improve the quality of environment; second, to create awareness amongst the people on environmental problems and conservation; third is to create an atmosphere so that people participate in decision making and develop capability to evaluate the development program. Aim of environmental education. The basic aim of environmental education is to provide different groups of people as well as graduates in a variety of professional field with the knowledge needed to develop a sense of responsibility towards the environment and the rational utilization of its reaches. It also aims to make this knowledge and skill to preserve, conserve, and utilize the environment in a sustainable manner for the benefit of present and future generation. Important of environmental education. First one, to clarify modern environmental concept like how to conserve biodiversity. Second, to know the more sustainable way of living. Third one, to use natural resources more efficiently. Fourth one, to know the behavior of organisms under natural conditions. Fifth one, to know the interrelationship between organisms in population and communities. Sixth one, to aware and educate people regarding environmental issues and problems at local, national, and international levels. Seventh point, increase student engagement in science. Eighth, improves student achievement in core subject areas. Ninth, helps address natural deficient disorder. 10th one, to handle environmental issues. 11th, to lead a better life with less population. And 12, to prevent the ecological crisis. And 13, to ensure socio-economic development and make this earth a better place to live in for the present and future generation. The concept of environmental education can be classified as: first one, education for the environment; second, education about the environment; third, education through the environment. The first, education for the environment. Environmental education is a kind of education which will seek to make people full aware of problems connected with their environment, so that they will be able to tackle these problems with a sense of responsibility and with the technical skill which will enable them to contribute to their solution along with other members of their community. Second one, education about the environment. Environmental education includes conservation, outdoor and natural resources education, as well as natural studies, but it also includes everything that related to man and its environment. Third one, education through the environment, in which environmental education is not a separate subject. It is a multidisciplinary approach both to education and to the problem of environment. Next one, environmental educational programs. First one, environmental studies. It is concerned with environmental disturbance and minimization of their impact through changes in social science. Second one, environmental science. It deals with the study of the processes in water, air, soil and organisms which leads to environmental damage. Third, environmental engineering. It involves the study of technical processes used to minimize pollution. Fourth one, environmental management. It promotes due regards for physical, social and economic environment of the enterprises or the project. Thank you for watching this video lectures on environmental education.